It is a dream for every bowler to take 5+ wickets in a match. Let's watch this video to know who took the most 5 wickets hauls in international matches. A perfect over of 6 wickets taken with 6 consecutive balls was achieved by Australian Al Carey on 21 January 2017 while playing club cricket in Australia. His first wicket was caught at slip, followed by a caught behind, an LBW and 3 consecutive clean bowls thereafter. Do you know that there have been only 2 bowlers in international cricket who have picked up all the 10 wickets in an innings? This includes record figures of Jim Laker and Anil Kumble, who achieved the milestone in 1956 and 1999 respectively. Muthiah Muralidharan tops the list of bowlers with the most number of wickets taken in all 3 formats of international cricket, combined Tests, ODIs, T20s. His fellow counterpart throughout his career, Shane Warne, comes second in the list, followed by the Indian spinner Anil Kumble. Among the current players, we have James Anderson is on this list. Anderson is 39 now and will retire in a year or 2. So one can expect Anderson to jump few places in the test list. Another bowler who is closing in is Ravichandran Ashwin. The 35-year-old Indian off-spinner will fancy a chance of breaking into this chart soon. Here is a prediction on how far will Ashwin go in terms of wickets. Ashwin is also the all formats combined leading wicket-taker in the last decade, i.e., from 2009 to 2019, 562 wickets in total.